of all the gods. We lay a crown.
And you see, a church does not grow on citizens who keep on showing up whenever it's convenient. The church doesn't grow that way. The church grows with the people or citizens who do things not because of convenience, but because of obedience. We don't do what we are doing now because of convenience. You don't grow because of convenience, but we do what we do because of obedience to the heavenly call. Praise the Lord so much. So you can never grow as a Christian. You can never grow as an ambassador if you do things out of convenience. Because there will be a time you wake up in the morning and feel like coming to church.